As gas prices are on the rise, a lot more people are taking to different forms of transportation, like e-bikes and motorcycles, to get to where they're going. Especially if where you're going is just a couple miles away from your house, it's really easy to hop on a bike. And if it's an e-bike, even better, because you can get there, it's easy, it's efficient, it's clean, but e-bikes go really, really fast. And this creates situations where if there's an accident, people can be very seriously injured in e-bike accidents. It's governed very similarly to how we would look at a regular car accident in the legal world. We're looking to see who was at fault. And if someone else was at fault when you were on an e-bike, then you could have a claim against that person. Even if you were in an accident involving another car and you were at fault, it's possible that there's benefits that come into play as well with auto insurance. And when we're looking at e-bikes and motorcycles, it's going to vary state by state on whether auto insurance is required. For most e-bikes, auto insurance is not required. And when it comes to motorcycles, we're looking at different levels of the engine in some states before auto insurance is going to be required. So there's some tricky laws that come into place, but it's important that you know this when you purchase your e-bike or motorcycle to begin with, whether or not you do need to have auto insurance coverage. But after you are in an accident, I sure hope you're not, but if you do get involved in an accident and you're in a position where you're able to document what happened, that's the first thing that I would consider doing. Now first you want to make sure that you are okay. And if you need emergency help, go to the hospital, get checked out. If you are in a state where you can document things, that can be helpful as well. Taking pictures, if there are witnesses, getting their name and contact information, that can be helpful in a situation where, somewhere down the road, someone might say something different, something that contradicts what actually happened. And the more independent evidence you're able to get, the better. Because ultimately we're looking at, if we ever have to present this to an insurance company or present it to a jury, independent information is going to help back up your claim, your understanding of what happened. So that's why you would want to gather information like that. There are benefits available. Even if you're on an e-bike and you're involved in an accident with a car, in most states, it doesn't matter who's at fault. There might be benefits available to help pay for your medical bills. And e-bikes go really, really fast. There's some e-bikes that reach speeds of 30 miles an hour. So there can be some very serious injuries when it comes to e-bike accidents. And it's very scary. So if something like that were to happen, it could be life-changing. And it's very important to know the different paths forward, the different insurance coverages available to help pay if you're not able to go to work, or if you suffer a permanent injury, to get paid for that. Especially if it is not your fault, you should get paid for that. And that's the role of an attorney, is to be a guide through this entire process to help you uncover different insurance coverages that are available. And if there are insurance coverages available, to try to get you as much money as possible.